Hi there, Misilla here. Today I'm going to show you a delectable chai buttercream frosting recipe that I think you will love. We love it. It's just so delicious. The blend of the spices is just right. I think you'll want to try it. So recently we used it in our pumpkin cookies and it turned out just delightful. And I'll have a recipe for you on this easy pumpkin cookies that you can make. So anyways, if you like your frosting to be fluffy, I recommend that you cream the butter on its own for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can gradually add the ingredients. By the way, if you do not have cardamom on hand, you can use equal parts of nutmeg and cinnamon as a substitution. So here is the recipe. I hope that you give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. To make chai buttercream frosting, we're going to cream 1 cup softened butter with 3 cups of powdered sugar. You can gradually add the rest of your ingredients. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk. We're going to go ahead and add our chai spice mix. I have 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon cardamom, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon clove. Keep mixing it on medium-high for about 5 minutes. Look at that. And it tastes delicious. It is now ready to spread on your baked goods. We're going to be using this on our pumpkin sandwich cookies. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.